Ecclesiastes 10 through 19, everything that I say, quote and unquote, literally will be from the Bible itself. Money is the answer to everything. So I will say, quote, money is the answer to everything, unquote. That's from the Bible. That's right, folks. Jesus Christ said those words. Look to Ecclesiastes chapter 10, verse 19. It's there, and it's true. Like the ad says, a terrible thing happens when you don't advertise. Nothing. It takes money to advertise. It takes money to buy the law books, the guitar books, amplifiers, modeling clothes, hairstylists. Apply money in the direction of your heartfelt dream. Quote, if an axe is dull and its edge unsharpened, more strength is needed, but skill will bring success, unquote. Take an action for its attainment. Master it. Make it a habit. Quote, cast your hand upon the waters, unquote. Quote, whosoever watches the wind will not plant. Whosoever just looks at the cloud will not reap, unquote. Don't just sit there. Don't just be a looker on. Don't wait for the right time to start. Be about it. Quote, let us not grow weary while doing good, for in due season we shall reap, if we do not lose heart, unquote. Don't give up. Quote, the way of the fool is right in his own eyes, but he who heeds counsel is wise, unquote. Don't be egoed out, and don't be a know-it-all. Quote, sow your seed in the morning and at evening, unquote. Think on your mind movie before you go to bed, and certainly when you get up in the morning. Quote, let not your hands be idle, unquote. Do something. Take an action. Don't be lazy. Quote, be happy, young man. Let your heart bring you success, unquote. Relax. Trust yourself. Lighten up a little bit. Be of good cheer. Quote, follow the ways of your heart, unquote. That's from the Bible. Do your dream job. Believe in you. Quote, banish anxiety from your heart and cast off the troubles of your body, unquote. Quote, wisdom makes one wise man powerful, unquote. Study. Quote, do not pay attention to every word people say, unquote. Don't be gullible, right? Quote, I command the enjoyment of life, because there is nothing better for a man under the sun than to eat, drink, and be glad, unquote. The Bible quotes, wisdom is better than strength. Work smarter, not harder. Quote from the Bible. The fool lacks sense and shows people how stupid he is, unquote. Who said that? That's right. Jesus Christ said that. Quote, whoever loves instruction loves knowledge, but he who hates correction is stupid. Again, it's Jesus saying that, not me. Is whatever you're studying or practicing or learning makes sense for the direction of your dream goal? Here's a quote. Whatever your hand finds to do, do it with all of your might, unquote. It will take time and chance, trial and error, and luck and persistence. Here's a quote. Do not be quick with the mouth, unquote. Remember, the tongue is a tomb, and it is like a rudder of a great ship. Don't steer it into the rocks. Steer it to your destiny. Quote, it is better not to vow than to vow and not fulfill it, unquote. See, if you're going to do it, then do it. Don't just talk about it. Quote, do not let your mouth lead you into sin, unquote. Don't distort life. Quote, then I realized it is good and proper for a man to eat, drink, and find satisfaction in his labor, unquote. Be happy at the job you chose. And remember, the Bible states again, quote, accept his lot and be happy in his work. So be happy in the striving for the success, the studying for the success. The pain is doing the study, the practice, the repetition, the action. And the Bible also speaks, quote, better one handful with tranquility than two handfuls with toil, unquote. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Think big. Go for the one that you know that you want to go for. One thing you want to be sure of is to stay in peace. Be at peace. Stay lawful. If this is right, go ahead and do it. Quote, so I saw that there is nothing better for a man than to enjoy his work. I repeat, are you enjoying the work? It's not going to be a cakewalk. You're going to have to take the bull by the horns, if you will. You're going to have to feel the pain of the study. You're going to have to take the action. You're going to have to spend hours at it without burning the candle at both ends. You're going to have to realize that knowledge is only potential power. It becomes power when action is added to the mix. Truth is always powerful. Get your facts right. Forget guesswork. Don't wing it. Know it. The only place that you can find success before work is in the dictionary. Work it through totally in your mind, completely and thoroughly, and then engage. I'm advocating that there's got to be something bigger and stronger and larger than you that you can absolutely believe in. You believe in yourself, that's terrific, but there is a higher power of some sort. Believe and you shall receive. Harbor no sense of doubt. Take an action, implement. Say your mission statement in the morning and especially in the evening before bed. I hope this has been a blessing to you. Well, this is why you write out your mission statement. 11% of all I make is mine to keep and to invest. When you reach $2,000, you take it and you invest it. Of course, in the direction of your chief end goal, whether it be a lawyer, whether it be a pilot, whether it be a guitarist, bodybuilder, or whatever it is for you. Take the bull by the horns and kick it.